CA Stampi, Full Service Industrialization. CA Stampi is a company operating in the manufacturing industry since 1977. We began our development as a technological innovator. Our grasp of the customer's requirements provides flexibility and results. The philosophy we impose ensures an excellent level of quality and remarkable esteem from the automotive, motorcycle and electronics industries. Our customers are among some of the most important international companies in the world. CA Stampi offers to the international industrial market complete product development from design to manufacturing of molds and tool and die. With CA Stampi, the customer will experience our attention for detail, deep understanding of project issues, organization, suitable professional resources and technical managerial assistance from the beginning through to the final product. Our partnership and collaboration with other companies of the group allow us to achieve and guarantee the complete production cycle and mass production. CA Stampi follows a continuous evolution of the design system. We provide cutting-edge technologies by always completely integrating and updating the design system. The design team of highly qualified personnel use several 3D, 2D CAD software stations, simulation systems, programming of various CNC machining centers, turning and EDM machines. Our design system is interconnected to various machines that guarantee and optimize order our production, thus manufacturing accurately to target achievements. With the technical staff and R&D together allows CA Stampi to achieve quality rapidly by continuously investing in technological innovation. Specializing in the production industry in regards to mold manufacturing for plastic materials, die manufacturing for light alloys and tools for machining and controls. CA Stampi is equipped with high-speed multi-axis CNC machines, advanced technological EDM machines and an efficient assembly department, thus guaranteeing the success of all activities. One of the characteristics of CA Stampi is the direct contact and cooperation with the customer. This communication is carried through from the initial phase of design and during the tool manufacturing. Also, we continually provide this customer service during the tool tryouts at the customer plant through to the final production cycle. At CA Stampi, our quality is a precious asset. This is necessary for our growth and valuable to our customer satisfaction. Our idea of quality is absolute, and it's seen through the complete working cycle, from the design to the final production tryouts. This is assisted with logical control stations and a modernly equipped advanced metrological department. CA Stampi is quality certified under UNI and ISO 9001 and UNI and ISO 14001 since 1999. This is another guarantee of success to our customer. CA Stampi. Experience, flexibility and innovation for the manufacturing industry.